What's going on, guys? Cooper from Comfort Outdoors, and in today's video, part 3 of cleaning out the chicken coop will be this one right here. You've seen it. If you haven't watched the other two, I've some advice. Go back and watch the other two, because then you'll see how it got to be like this, and you'll see the before, and I'll show you it'll be the after in the end of this video. But in today's video, I will be smoothing out this and filling in holes, like right down here and everything. Filling in holes all around, smooth it out, and make it nice and neat. So without further ado, I'm gonna go throw on the GoPro. Oh no! Oh. Having technical difficulties. There we go. Right. There we go. Grab the old gloves. These are my old leather gloves. Couldn't find any my new ones that Maverick chewed up. But yeah, without further ado, guys, I think I'm gonna start up there and work my way all the way back here. Now you see I left that in there. It's because I'm gonna leave that in there because that's a little hut they like to be in. And so without further ado, oh my head, I'm gonna start smoothing out. Oh, this will take a little while. Yeah, this up here is it's a little high, so I'm gonna. Oh man, I forgot that little part right there. That'll be alright. All you gotta do is come right here with the oh, I'll fix the camera with this right here. Stick it in there. Here. Fill in under here. Smoothing it out. Whew. Yeah, this side's bad. Manpower. Here we go. Whew. Yeah, it's gotta smooth all this out like that, right there. Smooth it out, and I'm gonna try to plant some seed in here, like some type of grass, so it'll hold all the dirt in and won't make it loose. Oh man, I'll find out what the end of this is. Wow, it keeps going. Let me grab the shovel, because then that'll really show y'all how deep that thing is and how low it used to be. Come right here. Scrub it off so y'all can see it. Man, the end of it's right there. This was under a bunch of dirt for a long time. That means this right here, I gotta level it out. This is level. I'm just worried about this right here. Trying to make it where there's not a lot of dirt around it, so it don't start rotting. So it don't start rotting on me. Plus I could use some dirt over there. Over right there where I'm throwing it. That looks pretty good. So yep, time back with the rake. Put this down. And so guys, that's Maverick barking in the background. But you saw what a little bit looks like, but I think it's gonna take a little while, so I'll catch y'all. So I'll catch y'all in a little bit.